Real Housewives of Cheshire star Tanya Bardsley has revealed she has sex with her footballer husband every day to stop him from cheating. The ex-reality star, 40, always makes time for her man, 36, as she believes another woman might if she doesn't. 3. Tanya Bardsley and husband Phil have sex every day. Credit, splash. 3. Tanya said her mom told her it's important to look after your man. Credit, Instagram. She told Closer, "I still really fancy Phil and find him attractive even more than I did when we met. It's probably because I've trained him up. My mum has always said to me, look after your man, otherwise another woman will. It's just like watering a garden, it doesn't take long and you have to maintain it." Tanya insisted she wouldn't judge others for not sharing her view, but believes without sex a relationship would feel purely like a friendship. The couple have 3 sons together: Rocco, 12, Renz, 8, Ralphie, 5, and Tanya has daughter Gabby, 19, from a past relationship. She said that while it can be difficult arranging steamy sessions around parenting, they only tend to last a couple of minutes, so it isn't too tricky to pull off. In November, Tanya quit Real Housewives after 6 years. She made the decision to walk after a behind-the-scenes battle with health and anxiety. The mom of 4 worried her family and friends when she collapsed during a shoot due to overworking. A source said, Tanya has been on Real Housewives since it first aired, but she's made up her mind to leave. She'll finish the current series and appear in the reunion show, but nothing more than that. Tanya has been really struggling with her anxiety recently. It got bad over lockdown and she just really wants to concentrate on herself. Her recent collapse really scared her and she knows she can't continue juggling so many plates. She loves the show, but it is really stressful at times and it just feels like the right time for her to walk away. 3. The couple have 3 sons and Tanya has a daughter from a past relationship. Credit, Instagram /Tanya Bardsley 7.